Hi, everyone.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. If you joined us or attempted to join us on Zoom this morning, we do apologize. We had 2 events scheduled and accidentally, so we were not able to go on the Zoom, but we're going to present our little listener story time on this video, and we hope you enjoy it. So first, we're going to sing with Miss Michelle, and we hope you'll sing along with us.
Are you ready? We're going to do What's the Weather. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy out today? And you know what? Looking out our little window here, it's pretty sunny out.
It is. It's beautiful today.
I see one white cloud. It's pretty out.
We hope you get outside and get to enjoy the nice weather. Okay, so now it's time for our first book, which is Fabulous Frogs by Martin Jenkins. This book has some really great illustrations of frogs. I hope you enjoy it. Fabulous Frogs. This frog is huge for a frog. And it is the golden frog, and he lives in Western Africa. These frogs are very tiny. They sure are. And this is the smallest kind of frog in the world.
I'm like, want to see.
Oh, and this frog has a very strange nose. It's almost like a beak. And it is called Darwin's frog, and you can find it in South America. Oh, and look at this frog. This frog can, it can jump really quickly and really far. And it is a striped rocket frog from Australia. I'm going to try to twist this a little bit. Okay, let's see. And these frogs make an awful lot of noise. And they say croak and ribbit and chirp and honk. And it says that frogs call to let other frogs know that they are there. This one is called a flying frog, although it can't really fly. And this guy, he is called a hairy frog, although it doesn't really have hair. It's actually skin, strips of skin. And this hairy frog lives in Western Africa. Look how colorful all of these frogs are. Yellow and red and orange. I think these frogs are all very beautiful. These frogs, make a nest of foam for their eggs. And the one with the very strange nose, the one that looked like a beak, well, it looks after its babies in its throat. Can you see that? They're hanging out there in his mouth. This frog never leaves the water. And this frog can live buried in the ground for years and years and years, just waiting for rain. All of these frogs are wonderful, but my favorite frog of all is the medium-sized greeny brown one that sits on a lily pad in my backyard pond. Very nice. Maybe you've seen a frog in your yard. I have never seen a frog in my yard. Have you, Miss Michelle?
I can't say I've seen a frog in my yard.
Okay, time for another song.
we're going to do 5 green and speckled frogs, and I have my 5 frogs. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you ready? 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pond where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glunk, glunk. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glunk, glunk. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glunk, glunk. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there was 1 green speckled frog. Glunk, glunk. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs.
All done.
Glunk,
Either
glunk.
way. That was fun. We hope you guys sing along with us. Okay, it's time for another story. And this story is called I Took My Frog to the Library.
Oh my goodness.
Have you ever taken a frog to the library?
No.
I took my frog to the library, but he jumped on the checkout desk and he scared the librarian. Ah! I took my hen to the library, but she laid an egg in the card catalog.
Cluck, cluck.
I took my pelican to the library, and he hid the dictionary in his pouch, and no one could find it. I took my python to the library, and she shed her skin all over the books. I took my giraffe to the library, but he tried to read over everyone's shoulder. I took my hyena to the library, but he laughed so loud during story time that no one could hear the story. I took my elephant to the library. My elephant is very well behaved. She stacked her books neatly on the checkout desk. She asked the librarian's help when she needed it. She listened to the story, and she laughed in all the right places. Oh, what a well-behaved elephant. But my elephant is very big. So big. So big. So big. She wrecked the library. The librarian said, Bridget, you are always welcome in the library. But the next time you come to the library, please leave your animals at home. So, whenever I go to the library, my frog stays home, my hen stays home, my pelican stays home, my python stays home, my giraffe stays home, and my hyena stays home. And my elephant reads to them. How nice. An animal story time. I like it. The end. Okay.
All right, so last week we did one little redfish swimming in the water. We're going to do it again, so I hope you join me. Are you ready? One little red fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Two little yellow fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Two little yellow fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Three little blue fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Three little blue fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Good job.
Fun. Excellent. Okay, it's time for another book. And this is a book about fish. And it's called Shapes with Little Fish.
Sorry, a little tight space.
Hello, I am Little Fish, swimming in the sea. I love seeing shapes. Come along with me. Follow the circle, round and round. Look at the circles that I've found. 4 equal sides on a square. Square here, square there, and everywhere. There's 3 sides on a triangle. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles can you see? There are quite a few there. See a triangle fish. The shark's fins are triangles. Stars have 5 points, just like a starfish. Close your eyes and make a wish. Here is a heart for mommy fish. Hello, little fish. Kiss, kiss, kiss. And we end with all of these beautiful fish swimming in the ocean. Oh, and a turtle. I see a seahorse. What do you see? Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I think, do we have one more song?
We have one more song.
Okay.
So we're going to do 5 little hot dogs. Since it's summertime, I feel like everyone's grilling hot dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and start. You can join because it's repetitive. We're going to just count down from 5, okay? So 5 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. 4 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. 3 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. 2 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and one went bam. 1 little hot dog frying in the pan. The grease got hot and it went bam. No little hot dogs frying in the pan. The pan got hot and it went bam.
That was fun.
Good job.
Okay, we're happy you joined us today, and we hope you enjoyed it. So for the last 2 little listeners, we are going to have to switch our time on Tuesdays from 10 o'clock to 12:30. So I will send an email about that, and you can let me know if you'd like to join us. We're thinking if you do join us, maybe you can bring your lunch along and bring a snack and enjoy that at lunchtime while you listen to stories and sing with us. Okay, so we hope you have a great day, and I will send an email about the time change. Bye.
Bye.